This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maribel Coutura. Discover this stunning like new 2023 built townhouse, offering modern design and an unbeatable location. The open floor plan features elegant porcelain tile throughout the first floor, complemented by beautiful quartz countertops and stylish cabinetry in the kitchen. Upstairs, you'll find two spacious suites, each with its own private full bathroom, providing comfort and convenience. Situated just off Southwest College Road, SR 200, this home is minutes from I-75, Paddock Mall, and the College of Central Florida, making it perfect for commuters and those seeking easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or an investment opportunity, this move-in ready townhouse is an excellent choice for leasing potential. For more information, review the details below or contact Maribel Coutura at 352-454-4389.